Ready to make a difference in Alabama? Have you ever dreamt of creating a lasting impact on your community? But where do you even begin? Starting a nonprofit in Alabama is a rewarding journey, but the steps involved can feel like navigating a maze. The good news is, with the right resources, you can make the process smooth and efficient. Our nonprofit starter pack is designed to be your compass, guiding you through every stage. First, you'll want to choose a name that resonates with your mission and is available in Alabama. Our starter pack offers tips on crafting the perfect name and instructions on how to officially reserve it with the state. Next, it's time to build your team by recruiting an incorporator and assembling a diverse board of directors who will govern your organization. You'll also need to appoint officers who will handle day-to-day operations. Our starter pack offers guidance on finding the right people for these crucial roles. Once your leadership team is in place, you'll appoint a registered agent in Alabama, someone who will receive legal documents on behalf of your nonprofit. Then, it's time to make it official by filing the Articles of Incorporation, a key legal document that establishes your organization. We've made this step easy by including templates and step-by-step instructions in our starter pack. After incorporation, you might choose to announce your new nonprofit to the community through a local publication. Then, obtain a Federal Employer Identification Number, EIN, which is essential for opening a bank account and filing taxes. Our starter pack guides you through the online application process. To ensure your nonprofit runs smoothly, you'll establish bylaws that outline its governance and operations. Our starter pack provides sample bylaws to help you get started. With your bylaws in place, you'll hold an initial meeting of your board of directors to approve them, appoint officers, and open a bank account. You'll also need to obtain state tax identification numbers. One of the most significant steps is applying for 501(c)(3) status with the IRS, which grants you tax exemption and opens doors to grants and fundraising opportunities. Our starter pack offers guidance on navigating this crucial process. You'll also want to register for charitable solicitation in Alabama so you can legally raise funds. Finally, double-check for any local licenses or permits you might need, and stay on top of annual filing requirements to maintain your nonprofit's good standing. Our nonprofit starter pack is your ongoing resource, providing reminders and support to ensure your compliance. With the nonprofit starter pack by your side, starting your Alabama nonprofit can be a clear, confident journey. Get your copy today and make a lasting difference.